So I have this very small demo on how to make an automatic water pump that detects when the tank is full and it will shut off automatically. So what I'm going to use is this pressure sensor here, bmp280, and I've put it inside this little tic tac box. It's upside down, so it won't get wet. Now let's assume this is the tank. We'll put the sensor inside. The sensor's there. Now the little code here is set register DDR B is equal to 1 because the PB0 pin is where I've connected the pump. So this motor is going to serve as the pump. I don't have an actual one here. Now we'll continuously monitor what the pressure from this sensor bmp280 is, store it to a variable, and if pressure is less than 1.002 bar, which is basically an empty tank, you turn on the motor. And when you turn it off, when the pressure increases beyond 1.007 bar, so that's about 6 centimeters of height, and when the water goes above that level, the pressure is going to cause the motor to turn off. That's the logical flow. So let me run this program. I'm also plotting this pressure at the end. So once I run this, you can see that the motor has started spinning because the pressure is less than 1.002. And now I'm simply going to fill this glass with water, and you can observe that the pressure has started going up and the motor is still spinning. And we're at 1.0060. There you go. Beyond 1.007, the motor has stopped. If I just simply lift it out, this is equivalent to the water level going below the level. The moment it goes below 1.002, the motor starts spinning again. Back in 1.007, it will stop again.